Okay, I have a car just failed a small check. I'm going to input the numbers and see how well the catalytic converter should be efficient. Let's see. This is a Lambda calculator. CO2 is 12%. CO is 0.5. HCs is 200. Oops, 200. O2 is 2.3. And NOx about 1,000. If I look at this number here, 1.099, this catalytic converter is not efficient at all. It's pretty lean. Look at the airflow ratio, 16:1. So this converter would not be efficient, this lean. Let's see what a good car would look like since we're here. I have 14 CO2. CO is a point, let's say 0.4. HC is 25. O2 about 0.5. NOx 300. Now you see the difference with clean emissions, 1.01. This would be a really efficient catalytic converter at 1.01. The one we've seen prior to this would be too lean, and the catalytic converter would not be efficient at all.